How to fix camera glitch on dead reels. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to fix camera glitch in dead reels. If your camera is stuck or acting weird after placing it inside the train, don't worry, I'll walk you through the few simple steps to fix fast. Step by step. 1. Identify the glitch. The glitch usually happens when you place a camera on the ceiling of your train and activate it while sitting in the driver's seat. This causes the view to lock or spin uncontrollable. Step 2. Try standing up. First, stand up from the driver's seat and try to deactivate the camera. In some cases, this resets your view automatically. Step 3. Reset your perspective. If the glitch remains, walk away from the camera zone. Wait a few seconds, then sit back down and try again. Step 4. Use it as a third-person trick. You can actually use this glitch creatively to get a third-person view of your train. Just activate the camera for 5 seconds while seated, and you will get a temporary external view, great for watching your surroundings. Step 5. PS4 and PS5 specific fix. If you're using a keyboard and mouse on PlayStation and your view freezes after taking a picture, unplug the keyboard and mouse and switch back to the controller. That fixes instantly. And that's it. That was a quick tutorial on how to fix the camera glitch in dead reels. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.